Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You'll begin by killing the app cleanly so nothing is holding resources. Close Wallpaper Engine and Steam, then open Task Manager to end leftover processes. This prevents conflicts. Once done, check Windows Update and your GPU driver utility. Outdated drivers cause freezes. Make sure to disable overlays like Steam, Discord, and GeForce Experience because overlays inject hooks that often freeze rendering. After these steps, restart Wallpaper Engine and note whether the freeze still happens. Next, you'll change runtime settings to isolate the issue. In Wallpaper Engine, reduce global quality and enable pause on full screen. This frees GPU when games run and avoids stutters. If freezing persists, switch the renderer between DirectX 11 and OpenGL because one may work better with your GPU drivers. Also try lowering the wallpaper's resolution or refresh rate. Heavy animated wallpapers can saturate RAM. Make these changes one at a time so you can identify which setting fixed the freeze. Finish by repairing or reinstalling if configuration or files are corrupt. Use Steam's Verify Integrity or reinstall Wallpaper Engine. If problems continue, open Windows Event Viewer and Wallpaper Engines logs to find error messages that point to a driver or plugin. Make sure to remove recently added wallpapers or reset app settings to defaults. A single bad wallpaper can cause freezes. If nothing helps, try creating a clean user profile or roll back a GPU driver as a final troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.